Aquaba, welcome back to Diane S channel. Here in front of me, no other than Ray. Yes, Ray was very instrumental in helping me, right? Ray, good to have you on the channel finally. Now, I told them you are here for an hour, so we have limited time on this occasion. And I gave them a little intro about who you are. And this is where I want the journey to start from. So please, flow with me as I drop the questions. Alright? We're good? Okay, Ray. Born in Jamaica, can you tell me and our audience, if you remember, what year did you leave Jamaica for the US of A?
1985.
Wow.
April 17.
Wow, look at that. Precise, right? Now, you arrived in the US. How long have you lived in the US?
Well, I lived in the well, the first 3 years I was in high school. I got there when I was 15, 16. And then after high school, I spent 3 years joining the military. And from I joined the military, I've been in and out. So I first did the station in 1988. Now I got in 1985. In 1988, I went to Germany for 2 years. After Germany, I went to Korea for 2 years. And after that, I came back to the United States. I was in Georgia for a year and a half. And from Georgia, I went to Kentucky for 5 years. 5 years in Kentucky, out of mercy. And then from there, went back to New York. New York for about 3 years as a recruiter. And after I left New York, went to Texas. Oh my God. Spent 2 years in Texas. And I came back to Georgia after Texas. In school how to teach as an instructor. Right? I went to Wall Street. When I was a youngster, I would come back and teach on the same thing. New soldiers, right? Then you know, the war kicked off and thing, so I ended up in Afghanistan, actually Italy, which with duty in Afghanistan, there. I was in Afghanistan for about 10, 11 months. Came back, back to Georgia, different place in Georgia. Right. After Georgia, I went to Korea. Again, after that 10 years later, I went to Korea. After Korea, I went to Kuwait. And that's when I finished my duty after 20 years.
So tour of duty 20 years. Okay, Ray, you left the US and you returned to Jamaica. Now take us back to what year did you return to Jamaica and how long did you stay in Jamaica for?
As soon as I retired in 2010.
2010.
I left straight from Kuwait, straight to Jamaica.
Straight to Jamaica. How long were you in Jamaica for from 2010?
Until 2020.
Okay, so you returned and you were 10 years in Jamaica, right? And once you completed your tour of duty, you retired. So you officially, big man, retire from the year 2010. Okay, I wish I had your life. Okay, after 10 years, right? So that's taking you to 2020. Did you leave Jamaica and return to the US, or you left Jamaica and returned to the continent of Africa? We soon get to which country. I want to know which country you went to when you left Jamaica in 2020 after 10 years.
When I left Jamaica in 2020, I actually passed through the United States.
Passed through en route to?
En route to the beautiful country in the eastern part of the African continent called Tanzania.
Tanzania. Now, Ray, let me ask you this. I would like to know, and I'm sure the audience would like to know, when did the Africa bug hit you for you to decide? Because in your tour of duty, right, and those travels, did you ever visit any country on the continent of Africa in that time?
You know something? When I was stationed in Italy
Yes.
and Germany,
Yes.
twice I was supposed to go to Africa and it never happened. I went to Spain, I was supposed to go over to Morocco, and it just never happened. We had a military have a duty station in Djibouti, Africa. I tried to get that stuff, tried to get stationed there many times, never happened. And this one time, I got a call from my niece in England saying that she wanted to do her 30th birthday celebration in Zanzibar, Tanzania. I'm like, Zanzibar? I didn't even know of the country called Tanzania. And when she told me it was on the continent of Africa, before the word Africa come out of her mouth, I was on the internet finding my green TV.
It started there.
That's where it started.
And so it started, sorry, you have to give it that year. When did that start then?
December 2020.
So it's 2020 the Africa bug hit you?
Yeah.
All right. Now you arrived in Tanzania. But Ray, travel is in your DNA. Because between 2020, touching down on the continent of Africa, destination Tanzania, tell the people them, how many African countries have you been to? Please.
Well, from a touchdown, I decided I'm not going back to the Western Hemisphere. I said, not Jamaica, it's in the Western Hemisphere.
Got it.
Right? So I said, well, first place I got to was Kenya, because Kenya has border in Tanzania.
Yes.
Right? Because every 3 months you have to leave, because we're on a tourist visa.
Yes.
Right? Come back from Kenya, and the next place I touched on was Uganda. From Uganda, I touched down to Zambia. From Zambia, Zimbabwe. From Zimbabwe, Botswana.
Wow.
From Botswana, South Africa. Then this one little country called Switzerland.
Yes.
Never ever hear about it.
Yeah.
Right? Then over into Mozambique. Come back over to Malawi. Back into Tanzania. And now, I'm in Ghana.
This is your second visit.
Yes, it's my
Second visit in Ghana. Ray, let me tell you something. What you just roll off and reel off a while ago is absolutely astounding. Right? Believe it or not.
My brother, when I was telling my brother, he said that sounds like a Bob Marley song.
Seriously. And Ray, what I want you to do, what I want you to ask you is, this is now a tour, but it's not a tour of duty. It's a tour of your life. It's your lifestyle, living your best life here now, still at a young age. What would you say about the continent and the countries on the continent of Africa that you have visited? You know, what is your experience thus far? Because you already know that many of us, myself included, back there, it's for far too long we don't know nothing about this region, we don't have a clue, And the truth be told, we are guilty, very guilty of uttering rubbish. And I will always say ignorance is not bliss, based on our continent, simply because we had no knowledge of idea of the real deal. So what would you say, to others out there based on your experience traveling to so many countries in Africa thus far?
That continent that we consider the dark continent, everybody calls Africa the dark continent, that's, now I realize the light has been shone upon me.
Yes.
Because guess what? When I come here and I see the place, and realizing that it is not about animals and lions and tigers and all them things, right? It is... And
fly around people's noses and bang belly.
No.
That you can't even look at.
When I'm in Africa, I feel like I'm still in Jamaica.
Yes. Yes.
Right? A lot of people, a lot of time when I send out videos or take pictures or whatever, people are like, yeah, right, you're not in Africa. Because guess what? Everything is a beautiful place. There's summer all year round basically. Just like Jamaica.
Yes.
Right? I mean up in the higher mountains you might have a little coolness in the higher altitude, just like Jamaica and the country. But the end of the day, you have the beaches,
Yes.
you have the ocean,
Mm-hmm.
you have the the people.
Mm-hmm.
The only difference between Africa and Jamaica, to me,
Mm-hmm.
is the people.
Mm-hmm.
The people are so I mean, I say they are so. Now I use the word. Because Jamaica is polite too, right?
Mm-hmm.
But they are so. I mean, calm set of people.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, if you bounce them,
Mm-hmm.
they'll tell you sorry.
Yes. Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
If you do something wrong, you drive on the street and you bad drive them will tell you sorry.
But Ray, that what you're saying right there, is no joke, because you saw my left wrist, and one or two persons been asking me, and guys, I will tell you, I jog in the mornings, and I fell a couple of weeks ago, and I got a nasty blow. But needless to say, all is well. So that's how the back of my hands got messed up. And Ray, do you believe the very same thing you're saying? When persons see it and they say what happened, I tell them, they say sorry. They say sorry. So it's no lie. It to me, that kind of was very strange.
In Tanzania, the word is pole.
Oh.
Right?
But can we say in Jamaica,
pole, but it's pole.
Ray, if in Jamaica we'll say hush,
Yeah,
can we say the hush is similar to the sorry then?
Yes,
What you think?
it's similar.
Okay.
Because, and a lot of people know, we have to know when Jamaicans say hush,
Yeah.
a lot of people take it offensive.
Yes.
Like, shut up.
Yes.
But it's not that what it means.
Right.
A lot of, when somebody get hurt or whatever,
Yes.
it's, oh, hush. Even them feelings or whatever.
Yes.
Hush. It's okay. Everything going to be all right.
Comfort.
That is and I think those are some of the DNA that we Caribbean or black people from the West have from our ancestors. That's also that's in us from our ancestors.
That is true. Now Ghana, right? Second drop in Ghana touchdown for our. Ray, is Ghana going to be your base while you continue your tour of duty?
On the western side of the continent, Ghana will be my base. On the eastern side of the continent, Tanzania will be my base. Because both of them, like I said, I get everything. Ghana, when I'm in Ghana, just drive down the street, just the Jamaican flag everywhere.
Yes.
Right? Once people don't realize you're Jamaican, they want to talk hot pot.
True.
Straight up.
True. True.
Right? And then Ghana is also open more than most other African countries to the Caribbean or to the diaspora. Right? I mean, I went up to a place called Kumasi, which is the Ashanti tribe. Jamaica, we are from the Nani and them.
That's my next stop, Kumasi. Yes.
Right? So we are very much connected in Ghana side, right? More than Tanzania. Tanzania is
interesting.
Ancestrally, like how we are from the western side. But just culture and wisdom of it, how the rice and beans, right? The fish. If somebody sidewalk, they have people sell them hand cattle and sell stuff in Jamaica. Same thing like Tanzania.
Excellent. Ray, will you be pursuing residency in Ghana? You have to tell my audience don't know that, big man. My audience don't know that.
Look here.
Eh?
As right now, I'm on my way to Jamaica because of my grandmother passed away. I'm going home.
Sorry to hear.
I go home none at all.
Right.
But this one, she's 99, I have to go.
Yes.
Right?
May
But
she
this one
rest in
time
peace.
Touch back this continent. The first thing I do is stop in Ghana and get my residency.
No problem. Well, remember, you don't have your Ghana card already. And in fact, it's you carry me. All the number there. Lad.
Hey, it's my Ghana card, yeah? See my Ghana
Boom.
card, yeah?
Winner player. Yes. So you're one step ahead.
Come at airport yesterday.
Yeah.
And ask me who shot me ago.
Because
my Ghana card.
There you go. Ray. Excellent. So here where we are now. Looking forward for you to come back in again, right? Ghana is going to be your base. Hi, darling. How are you? Sorry about that. Ghana is going to be your base. But you also advertise Africa, the continent, in your own way. and also Ghana has been the gateway. So much so that you have told me that one of your relatives has in fact invested in Ghana. You can just touch on a little on that without giving out your relative full business.
My niece, my older brother got the first dot, and guess what? She's also, her mother is from a compound.
Wow.
In Jamaica.
Yes.
State of Ashanti.
Yes, yes.
Right? And they live in Canada, but she bought herself a 3-bedroom complex over here, an apartment.
Yeah.
She will be coming here from Canada to live. So, yes.
Awesome.
Family. And guess what? And that's I knew that while I was here the first time. I didn't even know she was doing that. She didn't even know I was even here.
Yes.
That was some coincidental thing.
Yes.
So it's something that she has been, because she came to the continent. She came to Ghana before.
Yes.
On vacation.
Yes.
She fell in love with Ghana.
Yes.
And decided to get her a place here.
And she has did all of that from the States and bought this property when it was starting to be developed.
Yep.
Yes?
Yep.
And that is her investment to Ghana. And she's not physically here residing as yet. Ray, let me tell you, this is boom, I call this. So we're going to close out right now. Please tell the audience. Close out my channel, man. Close it out for me, man.
Listen.
Because I have to go road before you flash.
Listen, people. If you decided you want to go anywhere on the continent, right, and you just want a footprint, come to Ghana. Come see Diane. Because the one thing I tell us, if you touch this continent and Diane knows you're Diane, you're not happy, you have no issues. You don't know how she do it. Right? But I'm not gonna lie to you. To me, some of the people who've been here for 10, 15, 20 years, you can't tell me Diane they're there for the last 25. Right? But that's she. And guess what? While you're here, make sure, even wherever you are in the world, hit up our channel. Right? Go to our channel, watch our stuff. Because one thing she not tell you, she not give you no gimmicks. Right? Anything she tell you live and direct, just like this. Right? That's in the beauty. Look, this look like me there in Jamaica. I'm in the Jamaica yet. Eh? And nobody could tell nobody it's Jamaica me there. No. Look at the background. Eh? But guess what? Hit up our channel.
Ray.
Like, subscribe, and share.
Thank you. God bless. You know, say we are my brother already, so you don't know.
Bless him.
Guys, thank you so much. God bless. We are hit the road now because I'm soon flash out. Trust me, seriously. Thank you. We're done. Boom, boom, boom.